In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Facebook ads. 5 minutes. We're going to update your ad account currency directly in Meta Ads Manager. This affects how your budgets, invoices, and reports display, so choose carefully and make sure you're working in the correct ad account before you save any changes. Start by opening your browser and searching for Facebook Ads Manager. Click the official Ads Manager result, then select Go to Ads Manager. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your login details and complete any verification. Once you're in, you should land on the campaign's dashboard. Take a second to confirm you're in the right ad account by checking the account selector at the top. If you manage multiple accounts, switch to the one you want to update. Next, head to Billing and Payments. You can access it from the navigation in Ads Manager. This takes you into the Billing Hub, where all your payment and invoicing settings live. From here, click Payment Settings to open your account's billing details. Scroll down until you see the Business Info section. This is where Facebook stores your legal and billing details. Click Edit to make changes. Look for the area labeled Currency and Time Zone. This section controls which currency your ads are billed in and how your reporting timestamps are displayed. Open the Currency dropdown and select the currency you want to use going forward. While you're here, double-check the time zone. Your time zone affects when budgets reset, how daily spend is calculated, and how results appear in reports, so it's important to get this right. When you're ready, click Save to apply your changes. You may see a confirmation or brief refresh. Moving forward, new charges and budgets will reflect the currency you selected. Past invoices and historical data will remain in their original currency, and totals won't be retroactively converted. After saving, review your campaign budgets and any account spend limits to ensure the amounts still make sense in the new currency, and verify that your payment method supports it. If the currency option is grayed out or you don't see the edit controls, you may need additional permissions for the ad account or follow the on-screen guidance provided by Facebook. Quick recap: go to Ads Manager, open Billing and Payments, select Payment Settings, scroll to Business Info, click Edit, choose your currency under Currency and Time Zone, and then save. That's it. Keep an eye on your reports after the change to make sure everything looks correct and you're all set.